Hi, welcome back to Springbird Studios. Today we're going to make some aluminum ornaments. I love making ornaments for all of the times of the year, including right now as we approach Valentine's Day, because I like to decorate with little hearts throughout my house on windows or sometimes on a stick tree. Of course, these are great holiday ornaments for other holidays, but I think these are fun and easy, kid-appropriate activity that I think you'll enjoy making. So let's have a look. These heart ornaments that we'll be making today are actually inspired by Mexican tin ornaments, which I have a couple examples here. I adore Mexican tin ornaments. I keep them up all year round. They're made through a pounding of tin, and then sometimes they're painted. So you can see how the indentations create patterns, etc. Lovely. But instead of proper tin, we're going to be using a heavy-duty aluminum foil. You can order a roll, but it's a crafting aluminum designed for this process. You could also recycle old pie tins, things like that. Aluminum trays, you can cut them up, do the same thing. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to want to secure your heart shape. So you can do that by tracing your heart, or drawing your heart onto the aluminum. You can use a Sharpie, or maybe you want to trace a pattern, or a cookie cutter will work, or just eyeball it. Now this will be the back side. I'm just using regular scissors to cut it. If you are working with kids, this would probably be a good time for the real little ones for an adult to take over, just so they don't get poked by the sharp edges of the aluminum. Okay, for the next part we add the intricate designs, and for that I like to use a coaster or something that has some give, that will receive the metal being pushed down into it. And you need a pencil, like a good pencil that's not going to break the minute you press hard on it. And for that, I'm just gonna use this Crayola colored pencil and go ahead and just wing it. I'm drawing right on it with this pencil, making up a design as I go along. Again, this is the back, so it won't show on the front of the ornament, except for the marks, of course, that are being pushed forward. You could always find inspiration online looking for patterns, kind of doing some leaf patterns. And circles, geometric patterns. Okay, so that is pretty well full. The next thing that you are going to want to do is poke a hole. Again, having a block is good so you don't poke a hole into your table. But I'm just going to poke near the top. This is an awl, by the way, A-W-L. But you could use any sort of sharp device, even the nail would work. And then I'm just going to use some wire. This is floral wire. Something I haven't tried but I imagine would be quite lovely would be to add some beads to your ornament at this point. putting the two ends through the hole. Get this out of the way. And then wrapping around. Okay. It's very bendy. That's it. There you go. Hope you have fun making an ornament. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed that little tutorial on how to make your own ornament out of aluminum. Thanks for watching. I hope you make it. Let me know how it goes for you, or if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. And like and subscribe. And like and subscribe. I can't believe I just said that. And I will see you next time.